Hello everyone, this is Mrs. Blessing Stanley, known as Madam Cash, the top one of Greenleaf Biotech Nigeria. Now Greenleaf Biotech International is a multi-billion company that is into the manufacturing of daily consumable products. We have 9 different brands. This company has been into this business for over 22 years. This year we'll be making it 23 years. We manufacture our products, and for 3 years back, the company decided to go into charity. And so Greenleaf is saying, come, let's help you turn your expense into income. And not just that, we also share our profits with partners daily. In Greenleaf, you can get your dividends every day because expense comes daily.